Hi guys, my quizzes are done.
We're always dancing out of rhythm. We're always similar but
Pinagsabay
different
ang
now.
group A.
Wrestling with all our emotions until we figure it out. Something's pulling me into your body. I can't help but feel like I'm floating with you. I'm floating with you.
Hello everyone, today is Sunday and our class is suspended for tomorrow, which is Monday. So I won't be traveling back to my dorm because it's so hard to be stuck in a dorm and there's no one to talk to, there's no signal, and maybe there's not even a electricity. So I'll be staying here at our house for the meantime, but I still wanted to be productive. I still have a lot of pending quizzes that I need to study on, and then pending problem sets that I need to accomplish and need to pass. So I'm gonna be doing that. But before I'll do that, I'm gonna be cleaning my room because it's so messy and I can't be productive with a messy room. So I'm just gonna do that, and yeah. I'm gonna start with this pile of clothes.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself.
So I'm starting off with my problem sets on structural theory. I'm done answering them. I just needed to write on our template to be passed next week. And this is my current setup. On my floor are some of the things that I'm done writing. And I'm just gonna do my problem set for the rest of the day. Just kidding. I'm gonna try and finish it before dinner. I stopped writing because I need to answer few more items before writing it off on the paper. I turned on the sunset lamp for the vibes because it's so rainy. I just wanna watch a show and then just lay in bed, but I still have a lot of pending stuff I need to complete. one because I'm going to be writing my problem sets that I'm going to be passing tomorrow. And also, I have quiz this 1 p.m. class, so I'm going to be reviewing on that. I'm going to first start with my problem sets. Comes with a charger. And this is the audio with the mic. Is it better, guys? I enjoyed using my sister's mic, so I got one for myself. Just a quick update, guys. My head hurts so bad. I was trying to take a nap earlier, but I couldn't sleep. I don't know if I can review pa. I don't know if makaka-study pa ako, if kaya ko pang mag-study because ang sakit talaga and I don't know. I hope that kayanin ko kasi I still have a lot of stuff na kailangang i-review. Well, naaral ko na siya but I need to do practice problems to be able to master the process of answering it. Pero ang sakit ng ulo ko, I hope na kaya ko, and if ever man na inaantok na talaga ako, I'd sleep na. And 9 a.m. pa naman yung quiz ko, so pwede na mag-study na lang ako sa umaga if hindi ko talaga kayanin ngayong gabi, but I'll try my best to do that. Time check, it's 11:02 and I've been answering practice problems for a couple of hours now and I'm nowhere near finishing the book. It's not required to finish the book, but I prefer it that way so that every possibility that I encounter, I will know. But I'm really sleepy and my eyes are strained and I don't have more energy. Maybe I'm just gonna be picking the problems that I'm gonna answer because some of the problems are just same and repeating. My quiz tomorrow is at 9 a.m. I have two quizzes tomorrow, but the same subject. Hi guys, my quizzes are done. Grabe, I don't even want to talk about it. It's so mahaba and it's so sakit sa katawan. Like, grabe. I don't know what I'm gonna say. We have two quizzes. I thought yung isa is sa umaga and yung isa is hapon. So, yun ang naisip ko. Pero, pinagsabay ang two quizzes. Grabe naman. I just bought my lunch. We have strawberry latte and chicken wings and parang wala akong gana kumain. It's already 1:49 na and parang wala akong gana kumain. We started like 9 and then we ended at 12. Natapos ko naman siya but ang sakit lang talaga sa kamay and sa katawan. Like parang nagsasagot na ako kanina and ang sakit na ng lahat ng katawan ko, like kamay ko, paa ko, likod ko, I don't know kung ano nang sumasakit sa akin. It's so haba. I'm just thankful na natapos ko siya and yung mga sagot ko is pareho naman mostly sa mga kaklase ko. So, I'm happy with that na. Pero parang wala akong gana kumain. Hindi ko alam if uuwi ako sa bahay kasi next week is intrams namin. So, parang hindi siya ganun ka-hectic or fully loaded. Pero sa Thursday kasi is exam namin sa structural theory. Like, katatapos lang ng intrams from Monday to Wednesday. On Thursday is mag-exam kami structural theory and Friday may exam na naman kami ng highway and railroad engineering, which is napakadami rin and hindi ko pa siya na-review. So, hindi ko ma-enjoy ang intrams kasi magre-review ako for both of that subject and I don't know, I just wanna sleep, I just want it all to end. Pero I think it's gonna be worth it naman as long as you study hard and maging masipag ka lang. It's gonna be worth it kasi I felt confident naman sa mga sagot ko this quiz. Kaya I think it's worth it naman. It's just super nakakapagod lang siya. Kahit nakaupo ka lang dun, nagsusulat, nakakasakit talaga ng katawan. Grabe.